हेलो एंड वेलकम। राधे राधे भाइयों और उनकी बहनों एंड a very warm welcome to all of you present here in my new video, and of course a very happy Navratri to all of you. I am recording this on the first day of Navratri, and yes, I am keeping a fast. So all of that, keeping all of that away, right? So what is today's video? Well, today's video is about how I have completed another challenge on the front end mentor path, and it was not just the one challenge. I have completed another path, like the full path. So I could say now that I can jump on uh, adding JavaScript to my HTML and CSS pretty easily now, because I have completed a lot of projects that include HTML and basic vanilla CSS, right? So now I am pretty confident. So I'll be also learning the frameworks of CSS. I think I'll switch on to Tailwind. I am also interested in Bootstrap, but like it's pretty like it's both of them not the same. It's not the same thing. Like I know both of them are like the frameworks of CSS, but I feel like Tailwind is better nowadays. So yeah. Okay. So as I said, this video is all about how I have completed another challenge in the front end mentor path. So I'll be telling you guys about that project, and yeah, let's just jump right into the laptop, because why not? Because that's the video, right? Let's just jump right into it. So yeah, welcome to the laptop. Again, this is what I was challenged to do, right? So this was the desktop design, and this is the mobile design. You could see the mobile design is pretty simple. You can just make it as a grid, right? You can make it as a grid, and then like at when you add the media query, so at that point of time when it is like less than, or yeah, when it is minimum width is like 647 pixels. Okay, I'll tell you afterwards when we'll see the code, right? So this was pretty easy. Now finding this, like how it could be done, this was a more fascinating part, because I was a little bit, see, I knew it would use grid, but as the name suggests, see, let me show you. Yeah, testimonial grid section. So as the name suggests, it's about grid, how we create grid. So now let me show you. This is what I created. Now you could see uh, I would say I'm not the most proud of it, because it's not the best work that I have done. There are some minor mistakes, I would say, or some, yeah, some problems in this. Uh, Main problem that it occurred to me that it had a lot more margin than I thought it would have, as I have not given that much of margin around the top and the bottom. Right, from the left and the right, it's still okay, but not that much. So yeah, if I can show you guys, I mean, it's pretty good. It was a lot of HTML in it. The CSS was also there, but yeah, it was good. And this was the final project of the path. So I've completed another path, completed two of the path, and the next path that is actually included in the front end mentor is the JavaScript basics. And I'm already learning JavaScript and learning how to add JavaScript in HTML and CSS, as you guys saw in my previous video, if you guys saw, because it had very less views. Well, now let me show you guys the code that is actually written in this, right? Okay, so this is my GitHub. Let me zoom it. Oh, okay, I thought something happened. So this is gonna be, yeah, this is my HTML. Now as you can see, if it is 126 lines of code, this was the whole lot of the HTML part actually. And yeah, see, the main thing while writing your HTML is how it's actually presented. So you should create like different types of div for everything. See, I've made a div that is a container class which contains the whole of the page, or I would say the grid section, right? And I've created a div for each card, and yeah, then I've created an article and all of these things. So yeah, apart from that, there's nothing much more in HTML. Let me show you the CSS now. The CSS, yep, there it is. So CSS is 138 lines of code. Now, as I was saying, this the media query part. As you can see here, the minimum width I have created is 640 pixels, which means if its minimum width is 640 pixels, if it is greater than that, then the grid will have a repeat column of 2, which means it will have 1 and 2 here. So this will happen when it is greater than 640. So the minimum width is 640. When it is less than that, then it will only create like 1 2 3, as I showed you here, not here, here, this part. So it will come like this only. It won't even matter, right? So yeah, so this was the, and now this was what I did to make it look like this. Because when you add a normal grid, it will only look like 1 2 3 and 4. But if you need to add the design, then you need to manually create that design. So what I did was I repeated in 4 one for like 4 columns, right, like that, for maximum width of 1280 pixels, minimum width of 1280, which is the screen size of the Windows or your laptop. So I created the first, the fifth, and the fourth part. So these were the main things. Now this is just your normal HTML, how you, the color and the background and all. So yeah, pretty happy about it that I've completed 2 of the main projects, but still I would say it's not my best works. But okay, well, sometimes I can't, I'm not a god at it, right? I'm not an expert. I'm still learning. We'll learn, and yeah, we'll enhance our skills again. Let's go back to the main camera. So yeah, this was all about this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did enjoyed while writing the code and while making this mini project. And I'm happy that you guys have been a part of this journey. So uh, this video, I can conclude that I've completed 2 of my path. Now I'll update you guys if I'll be trying another path, because the next path is your JavaScript basics, as written in front end mentor. But as you guys know that I'm already learning JavaScript from different things. So there is also one mini project that I've made in JavaScript, like using HTML and JavaScript. It's a to-do list project. I'll also maybe make a video on it, or maybe not, we'll see about that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys got to learn a little bit more about grid section, how you can have versatility in your designing part when you are designing, or when you're using the grid section part, right? I hope you guys learned a little bit on it. So now I should stop yapping, and yeah, let's end this video, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then please leave a like, share, and subscribe this video, subscribe the channel, and because it really means a lot to me, guys. So yeah, and thank you, and I'll see you guys pretty soon, I guess. Whenever I say this, there's no video. Okay, you know what, I'll see you guys very, very, very early, I guess. I don't know. Peace.